Hello, we are now going to create a web conference in Canvas. So, how we're going to do this is we're going to go over here and we're going to go down to Conferences. Then we're going to add a conference. And all of these settings look good to me, so I'm going to click Update, and here's our conference. So we're going to go over here, there's some settings there, but we're going to go ahead and go Start. And here we go. How would we like to join? Well, normally during class you would want the microphone on, but right now we're going to listen only.
The only person in this conference.
Alright, so we've got access to the public chat, and we can send messages, type things in. We've got options for the chat, mainly that we can save it or copy it or clear it. We have shared notes. Over here we have more options for this whole thing, so we can make full screen, we can change the settings, we can modify the keyboard shortcuts, and we can end the meeting or log out. And down here we have the basics, share your screen and share webcam, and you can change the audio options from there. And also here you have a nice little slide tool that you can use, whiteboard access, all of the basic essentials.